So, got a call last night, my buddy at the shop saying, hey, we're gonna install the ALBA SBD kit. So it's the full exhaust with the, the header, the insert, and the programmed ECU. So we're heading down there today. We're gonna dyno it stock, and then we're gonna dyno it after we put in the thing, all the mods. And we're just gonna see, does it make the 30% that they claim? We've got kind of a pretty good day. It's a little humid, overcast kind of day. So ideal, not hot at all. I think we're right around in the upper 60s. So should be good. This is the test mule. It's Mike's 2021 YXZ SSSE. We took all the vinyl off of it, put all some nice different fasteners on there. It's really good. Keeps it nice and clean. So today we'll be ditching that, replacing it. The SBD spark arrestor will be going in there, and then the ECU will be going in, and then so we're going to dyno it stock the way it is right now, and then we'll do another dyno run after we put all the mods on it, see how it goes. Anyway, stay tuned. Well, we just found out that the dyno is being held up, so we're not going to be able to do stock runs, but we know that these make 82 to 87 horsepower stock, so we'll throw the kit on and then do the dyno then. But yeah. So what's everybody's guess? What do you think we're gonna make at the end?
100 to 105.
100 to 105.
What's stock?
After we do the mods, what do you think?
What's it stock?
82.
So 82.
82 to 87.
So probably 101, 102 is my guess.
101, 102. I'm gonna say 103.5.
If all is correct.
Stock ALBA.
Emails and phone calls out.
There we go. That should flow a lot better. Heck yeah. All right, back at it. Put the light on there again?
It's a seal on the end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Okay.
That's nothing.
I was like, what is that?
I'll shut up now.
Trying to sneak in a couple extra horsepower, are we? Oh, okay. All right. See, that's what's going on. Cheaters. Cheater. All right, exhaust is off.
Spacer up in there? No, it's
Got a bigger hole. This is not fun. Airbox spacer is a pain in the ass. So. Gotta put on the big old O-ring, both sides, right?
No, it's on one side.
Only on one side?
and I'm guessing it's on the other side of the...
Oh, that's right. Cool. Getting that, so I don't know if I'll get it out. It's a pain in the butt. GYTR secondary filter. It's just really hard. There's no space between the frame and the airbox, and now we're gonna put a spacer in there and make it even tighter. So.
It's still tight. Hang on, you're just gonna do this. Get this out of the way. If you hold that, just grab the top there. This thing's not in my way, Mike.
Okay.
It's what it is it's this pipe. I don't know if you can see it, the water pipe.
Yep.
And the frame rail.
Okay.
I can't get it around the intake horns very easy. Okay, I got it.
Oh, there it is.
What is it? What color? Is it ball looking like me? It was a couple to do training. Hey, boss. Will it not go in the exhaust, the muffler?
It just requires, I'm sure it's going to require just a lot of jiggling. The thing's loose as all get out.
That's Mike working. Trying to go faster. One day at a time. That's it. Beep.
Go for it, Mike. Yeah, it sounds like an idle's better and everything. Like the way it sounds, Mike?
Sounds the same.
Pretty close.
It's got a little bit of a deeper
Not much
tone.
louder.
Yeah.
215 miles. 15 hours. It's called a new exhaust burner. Burning the stuff out of the muffler, out of the exhaust.
Like Cosmoline and stuff?
Yeah.
It does look like a two-stroke.
Definitely got more.
You feel the difference?
You rip it all the way out. Sounds good. A little louder than 4 decibels.
What just flew out? His hat. It sounds a lot healthier.
I'm doing good. Yeah, it's way different.
It sounds a lot better.
Big difference?
Yeah.
Sure is coloring up nice.
Can you rip it? Can I rip it once?
Yeah, I don't care.
Horsepower seat dynos. What did your seat dyno say?
I don't know.
What horsepower?
29%.
28.75%.
28 and 3/4%.
Yeah, I should have done that too.
You didn't have your seatbelt on?
That's where you go for all your fun, right there, Ross Performance Group. Yeah, you even got a new hairdo, man. The fan comes on at 180 now?
Yep. And it's cooling down.
Nice.
Cool.
So how much was the kit? $1,000 bucks?
$1,000 bucks.
$1,000, and just from the seat dyno, I think it's worth it.
Well worth it. 1,500 bucks, no problem on that.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah, it pulls from 85 to 10.5, no problem now, whereas before you'd shift at 85 because they didn't have anything left.
Right, they just die off.
It's pretty impressive.
Stock.
For a header, an insert, and a spacer, a tune, that's...
Mike, you agree? Worth the money?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Well, we'll try to get it on the dyno. See what we can do. See if the number pulls up. We still got the bets out there. I got it recorded so nobody can change it. We'll see what we get. So, yeah, so a quick walk to the dyno. Just to the other side here. It's Gixxer tuning, right?
Turbo Gixxer, yeah.
Turbo Gixxer. Kenny is the tuning guy and the dyno guy. So we're gonna go in here and check him out. All right. So obviously these aren't the numbers we expected. There's a good explanation. We are on off-road tires. We really should be using street tires. As you can see by the graph, the tire was slipping all over the place. And so what we're going to try to do is get some street tires and re-dyno these, and then maybe we'll even dyno my vehicle at some point because it's completely stock, and we'll have a base comparison to an ALBA one. They are both 2021s, bought within a couple of weeks of each other, so they're going to be within a couple of horsepower no matter what. So that shouldn't be a huge factor. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we'll be back to you soon with some future videos and upgrades. Appreciate you. Have a good one.